In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design kitchen IKEA. We'll walk through the IKEA kitchen planner from start to finish so you can confidently build a layout that fits your space and style. First, open the IKEA kitchen planner in your browser. On the home page, look for the button that says Start Designing and click it. This launches the planner so you can begin shaping your room. You'll be asked to choose a room shape. Pick the one that best matches your kitchen footprint. Next, decide whether your kitchen is an enclosed space with walls on all sides or an open kitchen space that flows into another area. For this walkthrough, we'll choose an open kitchen space so you can see how it connects to the rest of your home. You'll land in the floor plan editor. Here's where you set the foundation. Adjust the size of the room by entering or dragging the wall dimensions to match your measurements. Add elements like doors, windows, and openings to reflect what exists in your real space. Take a moment to position these accurately. Things like window height and door swing can influence where appliances and cabinets will fit. A quick tip: leave comfortable clearances around entryways and ensure there's enough space for appliance doors to open fully. Once your floor plan looks right, click. Continue to move into furnishing. Now you'll see categories you can add, such as cabinets, appliances, dining pieces, and kitchen extras. As you add items, you'll get a visual of your planned kitchen so you can refine as you go. Let's use cabinets as an example. Click on Cabinets to open the catalog, browse the types, base cabinets, wall cabinets, tall units, and more, and select the style that fits your needs. When you click a specific cabinet, it will appear on your floor plan. Drag it to the spot you want along the wall. The planner helps with alignment, but it's a good idea to space items thoughtfully. For instance, consider placing the sink, cooktop, and refrigerator in a practical work triangle, and keep prep space between appliances. If something doesn't look right, simply drag it to a new position or switch to a different size. Continue adding cabinets and other elements like appliances or dining pieces to build out your layouts. Each selection updates the design so you can see how everything fits together. Don't rush this part. Fine-tuning positions now will save headaches later. That's the basic flow. Set up your space, click continue, and then add and arrange your kitchen elements. With these steps, you're ready to design a functional and beautiful IKEA kitchen.